Hi my friends and everybody. Welcome to GMK World channel. This is Gunpla World session. Today, we will present the top 10 HG Premium Bandai Gunpla General Election 2022. The result from https://p-bandai.jp/hobby/go-guide. The Bandai Namco Group's official online shopping site, Premium Bandai, has finally started accepting votes for the Pre-Bandai Gunpla General Election 2022. This time, there are two tailoring, HG, MGR, GPG etc. section, and this is top 10 HG section. Number 10. HGUC 1144 Giant Krieger. Price 1,980 yen. Number 9. HG1144 Zeta Plus Test Image Color. Price 2,750 yen. Number 8. HGUC1144 Rebound. Price 2,592 yen. Number 7. HG1144 Zeta Gundam UC0088. Price 2,420 yen. Number 6. HGUC1144 Resold Defensor B Unit. Price 2,730 yen. Number 5. HG1144 2 Neo Zeong Narrative Version. Price 28,080 yen. Number 4. HG1144 Second Victory Gundam. Price 2,200 yen. Number 3. HG1144 Rick Diaz Quattro Bozina Machine. Price 2,090 yen. Number 2. HGUC 1144 Zeta Plus C1. Price 2,640 yen. Number 1. HGUC 1144 MS08TX NF NAC. Price 2,530 yen. Finally, this is Gunpla World session. Top 10 HG Premium Bandai Gunpla General Election 2022. Thanks for watching. For news and more information, please subscribe GMK World Chan.